Got one. Small bluegill. We'll get him off the hook, throw him back. Oh, good. Getting up in size. Getting up in size. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Buddy, you gonna need the grease. You gonna size. Not the right size. Oh, buddy, you get to go back. You're lucky. I mean, you barely. Yeah, you gonna need the grease. Nice hand size. Barely hooked. Ooh, and you swallowed it. Calm down. You caught it. Nice one. I'll save the next big one I catch. And you the biggest so far.